Good Thursday morning. Of course, a lot of freezing rain and sleet happened yesterday, and Kylie just happened to go in the backyard, did some pruning of our trees, and you're going to show some ice on this stick.
Yeah, so we talked about this major significant ice storm, and I've been showing totals all morning long, but I don't have totals for every area, and you might just be interested too on how much ice did I get in my backyard. So here's the way that you want to measure it, and you want to do it before the sun starts to rise, before everything starts to melt.
Like it is here.
Yeah, like
so
it already is here,
quickly.
so we have to do this very quickly. So you're going to grab your tree branch. You're going to notice that both sides have the ice accumulation. You're going to take a ruler and you're going to be measuring each side of the ice from the object. In this case, it's the stick. And what you're going to do is you're going to take each side and then you're going to average them together. And that's the ice accumulation that you have outside your area. So here, just outside of our studio in Southfield, we're coming in at about 0.2 inches of ice accumulation. So that's the way that you want to measure the ice. And like I said, do it before our temperatures start to rise if you're just curious about your area.
Yeah, very informational. Here's a couple of
Kleenex
here.
Now.
You know, here, let's clean this up a little bit. I don't have any mittens for you, but
it's fine.
yeah, we'll get to that a little later. All right, Kylie, thanks a lot for sharing that. Very interesting stuff. As we continue with our coverage of the ice and what has happened in the last few days, you want to talk about the Detroit Department